How to fix Ethernet does not have a valid IP configuration problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, search for Ethernet settings. And then here you will see this option IP assignment. What you will have to do is click on edit. Now, instead of this automatic IP setting, simply select manual and then turn off your IPv4. Now, add your new IP address and make sure it is valid. Fill up all these using the necessary informations and then save it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.